What is corporatism? Broadly construed, corporatism refers to a collectivist political ideology which advocates organization of society by corporate groups, such as business, military, labor groups, guild associations, and agricultural. It is important to note that the organization of these groups is based on their common interests. Put simply, corporatism is a theory and practice of organizing society into corporations, but subordinate to the state. It is commonly believed that in a corporatist society, workers and employers are organized into industrial and professional corporations, which serve as organs of political representation controlling to a large extent the persons and activities with their jurisdiction. Corporatism, therefore, was meant to be an alternative to both free market economies and socialist economies. And it is important to note that at the core of a corporatist theory is the belief that society will reach a peak of harmonious functioning when each of its divisions efficiently performs its designated function, as a body's organs individually contributing its general health and functionality. In the political sciences, the definition of corporatism is more neutral. There, corporatism is a system of cooperation and compromise between capital and labor, coordinated by the state. Hence, corporatism is viewed in this context as a system of institutionalized political representation of different interest groups that is essentially founded on compromise and accommodation between conflicting power groupings, whether these be based on class, religion, or ethnicity. Historically speaking, corporatism developed during the 1850s in response to the rise of classical liberalism and Marxism, as it advocated cooperation between the classes instead of class conflict. Corporatism became one of the main tenets of fascism, and Benito Mussolini's fascist regime in Italy advocated the collective management of the economy by state officials by integrating large interest groups under the state, which is a combination of crony capitalism and state capitalism. However, the more democratic neo-corporatism often embraced tripartism.